Hi everyone, this is Mr. O'Gall, and in this video we are going to be talking about polygons. Alright, I'd like you to pause the video, write down the objective in your notebook, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. So let's start off by defining a polygon. A polygon is a closed figure formed by 3 or more segments. So the smallest polygon is a triangle. And there's 2 types of polygons, regular and irregular polygons. And today we're going to be looking at regular polygons, which means shapes where all the sides are congruent, they're all the same length, and all the angles are congruent. So the angles are also all the same degree. So in order to find a missing angle, we need to figure out how to find the sum of the angles of any polygon. And we're going to use this formula right here. 180 times n minus 2, where n is the number of sides. So we know that a triangle has 180 degrees. That's what we learned. Let's just make sure it works in this formula. 180, there's 3 sides in a triangle. So 3 minus 2, that gives us 180 times 1, which does in fact give us 180 degrees. You do not have to memorize this formula. It is written on your FCAT reference sheet. But I would like you to write this down in your notebook. So pause the video, write it down, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Alright, so now we're going to use that information to find an angle of a regular polygon. And I'd like you to either write this down in your notebook as I do it, or you can pause the video at the end and copy it down. So step number 1 says to find the sum of all the angles. And we're going to use the formula 180 n minus 2. And this is a 5-sided polygon. So I'm going to plug in 5 for n. 5 minus 2, 180 times 3, which is equal to 540 degrees. That's the total degrees of all of these angles combined. And we want to figure out just one angle, angle x. So we're going to do 540 divided by 5, because there are 5 angles. And that gives me 108 degrees. Pause the video, make sure this is all written down, and hit play to move on. Ready, pause. Alright, so now we're going to find the measure of angle x in this hexagon. Our first step is to find the sum of the angles using this formula right here. And then you're going to divide by 6, because there are 6 angles total in this hexagon. Pause the video, solve for x, and hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. You should have gotten an answer of 120 degrees. If you got this, give yourself a check. If not, please go back and fix your work. Alright, now I'd like you to pause the video, answer these 3 questions in your notebook, hit play when you're done. Ready, pause. Great job, you're all done. You may now get started on your independent practice worksheet.